Grunthal, are housing prices going to fall? Hey, let's go over all the data. You can make an informed, educated decision. And you will see what's being put out in the media right now, that the sky is falling and that the real estate is down by X amount. Is a little bit off. You can make your own informed, educated decision. Let's go over the data. But first off, all data is from MLS for single residential detached homes. I'm Stephen Olyniuk, Remax Performance Realty. And if you're liking the content we're putting out, subscribe to our YouTube channel and then hit the bell beside it. And if you like this as well, smash the like button. That really helps us get it out on YouTube. And if there's someone you think that might enjoy this content, please share it with it. If there's other neighborhoods you're looking for, we have got a ton of information out there and reports. So this is a report on Grunthal from January 1st to June 30th, 2022. Today's date is currently July 12th, 2022. And let's go over the data. Total of homes that were listed, single residential detached homes, since January 1 to June 30th, it's 37. As of today's date, there are currently 10 active listings, with 23 sold, 0 pending, 0 withdrawn, and 4 homes that expired. Let's take a peek at some of the data here first off. What we got here is the average square footage of homes. I'm just going to minimize this just a touch here. Okay, average square footage is 1,488 of the 37 homes that were listed. Average list price $309,854, and the average sold price of $332,153. So sold to list ratio at 101.4%, meaning the houses are selling on average of 1.4% over list. Average days on the market is 38. So now let's take a look at what's gone on in 2017 through 2023. If you can see here, the average sale price was $261,943. In 2018, 2019, there was a dip at $254,000 and then back up to $263,000. And that's kind of the norm we've been seeing all over the Southeast and in Winnipeg as well. 2018, a little bit of a dip. And actually 2019 has been a dip too as well, usually below 2017 numbers. Then 2020, we reached 284. And then 2021, they broke the $300,000 mark at 309, and currently halfway through 2022, we're at 386,942. Now, I predict that number is going to pull back a bit. We saw a large number of people jumping into the market as and inventory levels even went back further. Going to talk about that in the month of May was the first time we saw inventory levels starting to go up and increase, and then June as well. Started to see prices starting to pull back a little bit. So why are prices pulling back? Interest rates are playing a little bit of a factor. People are a little bit scared on that. But let's talk about interest rates. We've gotten used to this 1.5% interest, and that's just not norm. It's not the reality. If you take a look at the interest rate we're at right now and look back 5 years, that's a great interest rate. And it still is a good interest rate today. Also, let's talk about the number of homes selling. If you compare this year to last year, yeah, housing sales are down from last year, but last year was a record-setting year. That it was just unbelievable, and that's not the norm. Our 2017, 2018, 2019 numbers, if you take a look at those were the norm, and back and beyond, and we are still sitting above those numbers for sales. So what is this going to mean for the value of your home? Are you buying a home? What real estate related questions do you have? If you are thinking of buying, it's going to get a little easier out there. It's still going to be a good seller's market. And I'll go over what a seller's market is right away. But if you're looking at what you value your home would be worth right now, we can do a complimentary report on your house, your neighborhood, and let you know what it would be worth exactly in today's market. And if it's pulled back a little bit, does that make a difference? The only time that you lose in real estate or you win in real estate is when you're selling. And as long as you're not selling right now, you got no issues. And even if you are selling, you're still well above what last year's prices were. So let's look at that data. You can make an informed, educated decision if you're thinking about listing. Let's have a conversation. And if there's just So much you can do with real estate. Real estate is the only way you can truly hedge inflation, and inflation is crazy right now. Let's get that correct. So if you have any real estate related questions, don't hesitate to put them down in the comments below. If you like our content, subscribe to our channel. We'd love to talk to you and have a real estate related conversation. Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a great day, everyone.